My name is Shakera. I am the mommy boss behind Life is So Sincere, and over here on my channel I help women gain the confidence to walk in their calling. So you can expect vlogs from me, faith motivation, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of organizing, a little bit of everything, because listen, whatever your calling is, you can get the motivation here, and I'm happy to have you. So join the squad today, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on so you never miss when I upload. What's up, squad? We're at Ikea. This is my very first time. Super excited to have Sincere with me. Say hey, Poop. We're going to Ikea. Where you going? You and Sincere going to Ikea. We got our matching outfits on. Say, it's your favorite mother son duo. Say cheese. Oh, you don't want to say cheese? Come on. Don't touch. Let's go. No, they got a kitchen, Sincere. Look. Look at the kitchen. You gonna cook something? Come on, go through here. Look. Go through there. Go. You go this way. Look. You like that? Look, come see this one. Look at this room. You want to see this room? Sincere. Come see, baby. Come see, look. Wow, look, Poopy. Isn't this so cool? Come on, let's go see the next room. This is like a big kid's room. This is not for Sincere. Look inside, got DVD. This is a nice little setup. There, got night night. Come on. Leave. Oh, wow. So you
like that one? Oh, look at this. It's a bench. Come see this one.